This Mysuru palace was constructed in 1912 after the original palace was accidentally burnt down. This palace has four important gates named as Jaya Martanda, Jayaram Balram gates, Varaha gate and Amba Vilasa gate. This north gate, which has the Rama temple, is named as Balarama gate to honor an elephant. Yes, you heard it right. Balarama is an elephant which carried the 750 kg golden hoda or ambari during the world famous Jambu Savari. It carried the ambari for 14 consecutive years and has participated for 25 years in Dasara procession. This unbroken Jambu Savari tradition roots back to Vijayanagar Empire's rule. The history of Dasara elephant is always a grandeur and royal patronage. The elephants are revered symbols of grace and dignity. This Dasara is the 415th year from 1610 reign of Raja Odayar's rule. The other elephants which carried the Howdah were Jaya Martanda, Airavata, Arjuna, Drona are still in the hearts of people. Never miss the opportunity to witness the world famous Jambu Savari on October 2nd, 2025, which commences around 4:40 pm from the palace gates.